Hi there, bag makers. Welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Matchmaker Monday is my weekly series where I take the guesswork out of color matching for you and make shopping online much easier. I pair up exteriors, linings, hardware, zipper tape, and thread that all coordinate beautifully together. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you our matchups of our newest releases in our snazzy DiscoGrid vinyl. And yes, I have to say snazzy just like that. So what makes this vinyl so snazzy? Well, it is the holographic effect that we have of the vinyl. So hopefully you'll be able to see all of the beautiful colors that come out whenever you move this vinyl, making this vinyl ideal for evening out bags, whether that is prom, date night, a wedding. This is going to make your handbags shine. I'm also going to be showcasing our ice shard vinyl in the color black ice. We've had this for a couple of months now, but this is also going to make the perfect evening out bag. A little is going to go a long way with these three vinyls. Think small bags and accent panels. With the holographic nature of these vinyls, they do not do justice whenever we are photographing those or showing them on camera. They are best viewed in person. So I'm going to do my best here to show you what they look like. Let's get real close right here so you could see all of these little individual squares, how they pick up all of the different light that is near them. I absolutely love these vinyls. They're so fun. These vinyls are going to be excellent for domestic sewing machines as they are only 0.7 millimeters thickness. And to put that into context, our faux leathers and our faux suedes lean more towards 1 millimeter to up to about 1.2 millimeters. So very easy to work with. And we have a cotton backing here on them. So here are all of the backings. So let's get into Matchmaker Monday, where I share with you the pairings for all of these snazzy vinyls. I do have to do a voiceover because I did not turn on my mic in the following footage. I've already cleaned up, so we're going to go with it and just do the voiceover today. First up is our DiscoGrid in the color Champagne, paired with our liner text shimmers in the color Tan. I think this match is beautiful. I personally made a bag with this combination, and I was going to share it with you today. However, it came out so amazing that I can't share it with you because I'm going to make a sewing pattern for you guys with it sometime here in 2026. So it came out just so good, and when I shared it with our staff, one of my employees said, I want that bag. And then I did share it with a couple of in-store customers who said, can I buy that bag from you? So we're going to have to wait for it. So I can't show you it. I'm sorry. But this is what I used in that bag. So we've got our light gold hardware with our beige text 45 and text 70 thread, our beige zipper tape in number 5. We have that available in nickel, light gold, gunmetal, and antique brass. And over here to the left, I also have one of our purse chains in the color light gold. We have purse chains and purse chain extenders in varying finishes. So the chains are going to really take this bag from a regular bag to an evening bag, adding a little bit more glitz and glamour. Okay, I'll be nice. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the pattern. Here is one edge of it. That's all you get to see for now. Here is another lining option, our liner text monostripe in the color almond. This is really going to brighten up the inside of your bags. Next up, we have our DiscoGrid in the disco ball color. This one is just like a disco ball. On the left here, I've got some accent fabrics that you could pair with this if you like, and we will take a closer look at each one of those. We've got black zipper tape in nickel, light gold, and gunmetal, as well as our black text 45 and text 70 thread. That's going to work perfectly with this. And we have our hardware here as well. Now, if you want to use rainbow would also look really well and brighten up the bag and tie in all of those rainbow luminescence that you get there with the disco ball vinyl. Let's go through the 4 different exterior options that I've laid out. First up, we have our steel metallic vinyl. I pulled this one so you could see it side by side, but it's not personally one of my favorites. It doesn't match as well as some of the others. Here's our Savannah suede in the color graphite. Our milled grain faux leather in the color black, which I do like. And lastly, we have our Harrison suede in the matte black. That's my personal favorite. I like the matte finish paired with the luminescence of the DiscoGrid vinyl. It's kind of like a little yin and yang between the two with the matte finish and then the high gloss or the high luminescence. Here are the lining options that I've pulled for you. These are all our liner text shimmers. First up, we have the color charcoal, which I really like this combination. And next up, we have our periwinkle color. This is going to pull out those purple tones here in the disco ball vinyl. And next up, we have our teal, again pulling out from the teal and the green tones over here on the disco ball vinyl. Here I've added in the Harrison suede and the color black, so that way you can see all three of these side by side. I wouldn't recommend any printed linings because we want the DiscoGrid vinyl to be the star of the show. There's a lot going on with that, so we want to keep the linings neutral and just pick some solids. So again, here are the different colors of the liner text shimmers. Our last collection is the ice shard vinyl in the color black ice. I have paired that with the same lining fabrics and also recommend the same exterior accent fabric as well. So we'll just go through these so that way you could see them side by side. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to grab your snazzy DiscoGrid vinyls on our website at sewyours.com. Whenever you have made a bag with one of these beautiful vinyls, stop by our Facebook group to share photos of your completed bags, as we'd love to see what you made with it. I will see you in next week's Matchmaker Monday. DiscoGrid vinyl, this snazzy. So what makes this vinyl so snazzy?